What is Softmax in neural network activation functions? Imagine you have a bunch of scores from a neural network, but they don't tell you how confident the network is about each choice. How do you turn those scores into something meaningful? That's where the Softmax function comes in. It's a special tool used at the end of neural networks when they need to pick between multiple options, like recognizing different handwritten digits or classifying images. The Softmax function takes all those raw scores, called logits, and converts them into probabilities. Probabilities are numbers between 0 and 1, and they add up to 1. This makes it easy to see which class the network thinks is most likely. For example, if the network is trying to identify a picture of a cat, the Softmax will give a high probability to the cat class and lower probabilities to other animals. Here's how it works. First, it takes each score and raises it to the power of Euler's number, which is about 2.718. This makes all the scores positive and emphasizes larger scores. Then, it adds up all these exponentials and divides each one by that total sum. This process makes sure all the probabilities add up to 1. Mathematically, if you have a list of scores, called z, the Softmax for each score z is calculated by taking the exponential of z and dividing it by the sum of exponentials of all scores in the list. This way, higher scores get higher probabilities, but all probabilities stay within the range of 0 to 1. Think about a neural network trained to recognize numbers from 0 to 9. It will output 10 scores, 1 for each digit. Before Softmax, these scores are just numbers without a clear meaning. After applying Softmax, the output becomes a set of probabilities that tell you how confident the model is that the image is each digit. If the probability for the number 5 is the highest, you can be pretty sure the network thinks the image shows a 5. Softmax is essential because it helps AI systems communicate their predictions clearly. It makes the output understandable and useful for decision-making. For example, language models like ChatGPT use Softmax to decide which word or token to generate next, based on the probabilities it assigns. This way, the model can produce coherent and contextually appropriate responses. In image generation tools like DALL-E or Midjourney, Softmax helps in selecting the most likely next visual element or concept, making the output more accurate and relevant. It also allows developers to set confidence thresholds, so the AI only makes predictions when it's fairly certain. To sum up, Softmax is a key activation function that transforms raw neural network scores into probabilities. It helps AI systems interpret their outputs, especially in tasks involving multiple choices. This makes AI predictions more transparent, reliable, and easier to understand for users.